Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL. We'll be evaluating these products based on several categories to help you decide which one is right for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Now let's get started. Both the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL offer versatile functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. However, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus goes one step further with its additional broil function. With one-touch smart programs, both air fryers make it easy to cook a variety of delicious meals quickly and conveniently. When it comes to capacity, the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL takes the lead with its 5.5 quarts non-stick basket and crisper plate, allowing you to cook up to 3 pounds of French fries or wings at once. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus offers a slightly smaller capacity, making it ideal for 4 to 6 servings. Depending on your needs, both these air fryers provide ample space for your favorite meals. If you're conscious about your health, both the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL can help you cut down on oil usage. They offer up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying methods. Enjoy crispy and delicious dishes with fewer calories without compromising on taste. Both air fryers provide a wide temperature range for various cooking needs. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus offers a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees F, allowing you to create gourmet meals with precision. The Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL, on the other hand, provides a temperature range of 105 to 400 degrees F, giving you the flexibility to gently remove moisture from foods or cook and crisp foods quickly with convection heat. Cleaning up after cooking is always a hassle, but with both the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL, it's a breeze. Their non-stick baskets and crisper plates are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Spend less time washing dishes and more time enjoying your delicious meals. Now let's talk about the price. Both the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL are priced at $159. Keep in mind that prices may vary, so make sure to check the latest updates. Comparing their features, functionalities, and performance, these air fryers offer a great value for their price. And that concludes our comparison between the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.